To upgrade a batch of IP cameras, we need to first make sure that all the cameras we would like to upgrade have the same version number, and also that they not only have the same version number, but the same password. Now, if we want to upgrade the cameras with IPs 151 and 153, we can because they have the same version number, version 21, as we can see in the device version column, and also, they have the same password. We'll just come to Upgrade, which is the second tab. Select the cameras we need. The T3 camera, which its IP is 151, and the D2 camera, which its IP is 153. Select both cameras. Come down here. Click on Open, and then navigate on your device to where the upgrade file is located. In our case, it is located on the desktop, and it's saved under Firmware, version 21. This is the latest update for this version. I'm going to select it. Type in the password, and then click on Upgrade. Those cameras will be upgraded with the latest firmware. This is how to upgrade a batch of IP cameras.